Hello friends, in this video we discuss the another important mechanism of enzyme catalysis, that is catalysis by preferential transition state binding. The binding of transition state to an enzyme with greater affinity than the corresponding substrate or products is one of the most important mechanism of enzymatic catalysis. The concept of transition state binding is based on rack mechanism. The concept proposes that enzymes mechanically strain their substrate towards the transition state geometry through binding sites into which undistorted substrate did not properly fit. Most enzymes employ a combination of several catalytic strategies to bring about a rate enhancement. A good example of the use of both covalent catalysis and general acid-base catalysis is the reaction catalyzed by chymotrypsin. The initial step is the cleavage of peptide bond, which is accompanied by the formation of covalent of the substrate. The reaction is enhanced by general base catalysis by other groups on the enzyme. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.